Hey everyone, Jay with Slam Academy, talking about some new features in Live 11. And this video I want to talk about templates. These are really great if you do a variety of different projects and you have always wished that you had multiple default sets. So check it out. In the past, what we did is we had a default set, we would open our session and it would be that, and then we kind of modified it to make what we wanted. Now we can have multiple. All we do is we go to this templates tab in our browser, and you can see there's a bunch that are packaged with Live 11. Let's open one up. Let's do default live set. So this is familiar as our default set, right? Now I've made one for my studio setup here, and I can double click on it and call it up. So this is what I need if I'm recording 4 tracks, and it's also got my hearback settings configured, my audio routing is configured, everything stays in the set. Even content can stay in the template. Some of these ones that are packaged with Live 11 have some content in them. So, you can keep like your drum rack and things like that all set up to go in your session if that's what you want by using templates. Now, another really cool thing I found, I'm going to open up my studio template again, and let's say I had like that drum rack I wanted to grab. You can essentially template tracks, right? So here's that track, and I can grab it and throw it into this session. So now I've got that drum rack. So you could make one template that had a whole bunch of different tracks that you often use and pull those into your template and have them all set up as tracks. And this will have a bunch of clips in it. So with templates, you're not only templating a session, you're actually templating tracks that can be pulled into different sets as needed. To make one of these, all you have to do is get everything set up how you want, and then we're going to go to File, Save Live Set as Template, and it's going to put it right in your templates. You can also go to Save Live Set as Default Set right from the File menu. It's a pretty slick little system, and it should save you a bunch of time.